Hi, and welcome to our 20-second do-it-yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ. And I am from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we will be reviewing adding command buttons to the toolbar. So let's go forward and take a look. First, I just want to let you know, Excel's ribbon consists of a series of tabs containing command buttons arranged into different groups. To do this, the ribbon uses the following components: the command button tabs, groups, command buttons, and the dialog box launcher. So let's take a look. I have devised an Excel spreadsheet for you. We're just going to take a look at a few options in regards to the control command buttons. Okay? Tabs, okay, are at the top. It goes from Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data Review, and View. Those are your tabs. Okay? Then your command buttons are in this area here. Okay? It goes, hang on, let me go to Home. Okay, here's your command buttons right here. And your editing and your cells. Your dialog box launcher that they're talking about, see this little small square in each area? Okay, you can click on that and then put your commands as to what you want that area to do. Okay, and same thing with the font. You can determine, okay, the size and whatnot, the style and the font and the color. You can do that all ahead of time if you wish. And same thing with the clipboard, okay? You can also do it over to the left here. And then the number section, okay? You can make all your choices here and your font size and everything if you wish. So you can do it as you're doing your spreadsheet, or you can do it right from the get-go. I want to show you something else. If you push Control F1, it's going to hide your ribbon, okay? And if you push Control F1 again, it will bring your ribbon back. 9 times out of 10, people leave the ribbons out, okay? But if you need a little bit more room to see your spreadsheet, you also have your quick access toolbar at the top that pretty much has everything that's on your ribbon. Okay, it's just, again, a personal preference. Let me read a little bit out of the Excel book in regards to the command buttons. Tabs. For each of the Excel's main tasks that bring together and display all the commands commonly needed to perform that core task. Groups. That organize related command buttons into subtasks normally performed as part of the tab's larger core task. Command buttons. Within each group that you select to perform a particular action or to open a gallery from which you can click a particular thumbnail. Note, many command buttons on certain tabs of the ribbon are organized into mini toolbars with related settings. And then the dialog box launcher is the lowercase corner of certain groups that opens a dialog box containing a bunch of additional options that you can select, which I've just shown you. Excuse me. You can also double click on any one of the ribbon's tabs by pressing Control F1 on your keyboard, which I just showed you, to once again pin the ribbon in place so that all the commands on each of the tabs are always displayed in the program window, double-click any of the tabs or press Control F1 a second time. Okay, so that's the definitions and, all the different things on the control button. Okay. Sorry about that little delay. Thought I'd give you a break. Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach that next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Just like this video, number 22. You could watch this 5 times if you want to. It's totally up to you. Our clients are our number one concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little more about the Excel program. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that fits perfectly for your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business that will help your business be more streamlined and more cost efficient. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast. From the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.